All right, I am going to do some combos. Oops. I'm going to do a team selective diamond and open some packs. So it's end of the month. We got double rewards right here if you look at the mileage right there. So this is when you can spend your stars and get more rewards. So I'm going to change this to ability. I'm going to go after some of my low diamonds. Let's see how many I got. I'm not going to go after any Padres. We'll do 2. And then I mix it with one of these, do a star combination. Nobody I really want. Just more material to combine, I guess. All right, let's see how much mileage I have right now. So I have 4614. I'm going to spend 1,600 stars. This Torres is all right. So I don't remember what it was, but it went up. I think it was at 4,600, and it went up to 49. So we'll take that. I'm trying to get to 6,000 or 7,000 for a another signature pack. All right, let me do the math right here. Fat fingered it. All right, so 49.34. Let's see what it goes up to. Star combination 1,600. Here you go, that Maeda and Rough Knit Odor are pretty good. I think I probably already had or have both of those. Let's go right there. Get the worst card possible. Now let's see what our mileage went up to. So 5,254. So 320. So normally you get 10% travel points, I guess. And during this time you get double that. So it's 20% of what you spend will it'll increase by that much. So that's why I wait till the end of the month to do this. I haven't seen a prime in one of these in a while. So you pick a number from 10 to 20. Oh, 14? All right. 14. Thanks. Good job. Why do I keep doing that? That Reese Hoskins. All right, pick a number from 10 to 20 again. 16? All right. All right. Let's go ahead and let's see what mileage we have. 7,000 is what I need. I don't know if I'm going to get there today. Let me get rid of some of these cards real quick. I'm not going to do that because then I might get Will Myers right now. All right, let's open some packs. Well, let me do a team selective diamond real quick. I'm going to craft it, go to club. I got my diamond pack, my team selective premium, and 1,000 coins. Craft it, done. This is a pitcher or batter for the team of your choice. I like to go with the team that you're going to be. So if I'm the Padres, then I'm going to pick Padre players. Let's start off with a signature. One of the kids I coached, Andrew P, we'll call him, or used to coach, he watches the videos and he got a team selective pack, and of course he gets a diamond. I don't know if I've got a diamond team selective or team signature pack out the gates yet, so they're just from a regular pack. So good job on that. A little jealous, but it is what it is. I'll do one batter, one pitcher. Come on, 2020 Tatis. It's not working to check the stats right now. I don't know why it won't let me. Ooh. The Renfro, I think I already have him, though. He's got a low base. Great increase, 72, not bad. It won't let me do anything with this. I don't know why I can't check this stuff out. All right, I said I was going to do a pitcher, too. It wouldn't let me check his skills. Lauer, I think I already have him. I wouldn't use him anyways. That's usually what you get in these team selected diamonds. Cards that you already have. Live season 2021 Tatis. Oh, fam. I'll take it. So 71 base. Grade increase to 61, so I can move that up. It will not let me show anything. I don't understand it. All right, what else do we want to open? You want to see some more diamonds? It won't let me peek at any of these, so I'm sorry, guys. That's a nice Olsen. There's a guy in my club who will get jealous of that probably. I sent in a couple votes for him too. Those aren't bad cards. Some good power. All right, let's do some premium vintage. No diamonds, no gold. I can't peek. So I'll open quickly. Mokes and Clark. All gold. Diamond, yes. Live season, team selective. All right. Hosmer's been sucking. He started off pretty hot, then he's been slumping. So hopefully he gets back into it. I know he got a game tying home run the other night, clutch. The Machado, he's also been kind of slumping. His defense is legit though. So even when his bat's not 100%, he's still an asset to the team. Marcano, this guy goes up and down. He's an okay utility player, but he's not going to have any spot on the team right now. And I don't even know if I've seen this guy pitch. What do I have? 2 spots left. What do you guys want to see? Oh, 2 AL premium pitchers. All right. So we got a gold. So I got the 19 Renfro. Let's see which one looks better. 68. This one's a 63. 70, 70 for grade increase. Obviously, I'm going to retrain this when I get there. I don't think I get this to level 90, but I don't know if I'm going to use them to... I'll probably use them for black diamond pieces later. I could do it now, actually. There's the Hosmer. I'll do that one. Cool, it worked. Denilson Lamet. Tommy Pham. This guy got stabbed at a gentleman's club. Last season, off season, I think, right after the season ended. I think people have been making fun of him or something. I heard he was a little upset about it. But he recovered. He's doing all right. Lauer. I don't even remember Lauer being a starting pitcher, to be honest. I thought he was a reliever of some sort. See this Denelson Lamet, the gold. The 2020 is the one to get. The 19 is... What I'm going to do with the 19 is I'm just going to get him to above 90. And then I'm going to use him for mentor. And that is... It's the 20 out of 20 mentor. Or level 20. So you have to either have 5 batters or 5 pitchers above 90. So I have 2 right there. Let's see what I have here. 0. So that's what I'm gonna do with some of those guys. Some of them I'm used for black diamond pieces. Let's see what it looks like to use this Renfro. Yeah, so it barely chips away at it. Chips away at it at all. So looks like I've already done 1. I want to upgrade them. I'll just go ahead and do this. Live it up, right? There's that. I'm just gonna do some special train right now. Do I want to do this Pomeranz? No, I'll work on that card later. I need to get this trout up a little bit better. Since I can't get any other diamond sigs. I think I got some diamond items. I'll use some of these. And I forgot that level 8 was the one where you get multiple. This should bring them there. Where you get 3, the top 3. So let's see what that looks like. Boom. It's not bad. I need to get rid of the fielding one. Cool. Let me see. Maybe I can open up some more of these. I'll do some more live premium packs. Hell yeah, diamond. And 2 gold. Some good power for a catcher. Good fielding. Garver for the Twins. Position select. What do I want? All right, I am Hoping this is a 2021 Tatis. Nope, but it's a Profar. I got a pretty nice Profar on my team too. I think I do a little bit more combining for you guys. I'm not doing that right now. You guys seen enough special upgrade. So I should get about 400 mileage. So it should be about 62 after this, if I use it like this, which I'm going to. All right. That Goldschmidt is not that good. Kimbrel's okay, though. We'll go Kimbrel. All right. Pick a number from 9 to 16. 14? All right. Cal Quantrill. He was a decent Padre. Oh yeah, let's see what our mileage was. 62. So our math is correct. I'm going to use them. So we did like a bunch of these and we did not get any primes yet. Relief pitcher. I just used a bunch of stars too. Just trying to get that SIG pack. That's a nice Pujols. All right. I'm going to stay in the same spot. Nope. Simmons. I should let you guys guess, but I messed up. Nothing. All right, I'll just use those for special training. Nothing there. Well, that's all I'm going to do right now. We'll have some more videos probably on the other accounts. This one's going to be pretty long. Thank you for spending the time. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.